cheese, chorizo, and just one pan? Oh yes, we're making choriqueso, the easiest, cheesiest Tex-Mex appetizer. And it's ready in minutes, so stick around. You don't want to miss it. Hola amigos! Welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. If you love cheese and bold Tex-Mex flavors, you're in for a treat. Today we're making choriqueso, a hot, melty skillet of cheese mixed with flavorful chorizo. What makes this even better is that we're keeping it super simple. Just 2 ingredients and 1 pan, no oven. Here's what you'll need. 8 ounces of Oaxaca cheese, and it usually comes in a ball shape with thick strands you can pull apart. 4 ounces of Mexican chorizo. For the best flavor, make sure you get Mexican chorizo, as there are several types. And you'll need warm tortillas for eating your choriqueso. Check out our easy and authentic corn tortilla recipe here. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's get cooking. First, we heat up our skillet to medium heat. Add the chorizo and break it up with a spoon. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's crispy and deepens in color. Once it's done, remove the chorizo from the pan, but leave the oil behind. That'll help keep the cheese from sticking. Lower the heat to low. Stretch out your cheese directly on the skillet, cover it, and let it melt slowly. Stir occasionally to keep it smooth. If it starts sticking, you can add a tiny splash of milk or broth to loosen it up. Once the cheese is fully melted, stir the crispy chorizo back in and give it one final mix. And that's it! And you should know that choriqueso never waits for anyone. So grab a spoon and dig right in. Put it straight on your tortilla. You can also use chips, but I love my tortillas. Now tell me, did you make the super easy cheesy choriqueso? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new one. Don't forget to like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego! I gotta go eat this now.